The first step to work with your board will be to load the npm packages that allow you to communicate with it. In order to do that, we're going to create an npm application. We do that by creating an init file, and as you can see here, I have a command to do just that on line 1, as you can see here. I'm also going to point out that I'm working within a directory called Tessel. You can see my path here. It's the same on the command line. And I'm going to go ahead and enter that npm init. This will create a package.json file that will simply capture the environment in which I'm creating this application. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that next, npm init-y. And as you can see there, it has created a package.json file. And it has inside of it the name, which it takes from the directory, the version, description, a entry point, which happens to be index.js. Even if we do not have it, this is the default. Then the author, which is myself, and the license. You can modify this if you like, but I would just say to go with it for now. So the next step is to install the npm package called Johnny5. I'm going to go ahead and do that next. Go ahead and enter it here at the command line, hit return, and you'll see there the communication reaching out to npm, pulling down packages, and you can see here on my right hand side on my window that I have a new folder called Node Modules. If you look inside of it, there's a lot of packages that have been brought down. All of those support Johnny5. Now you'll see potentially, depending on your configuration, a couple of warnings. No description, no repository field. This is simply referring to the metadata that we created, that the package.json file does not point to a GitHub repository and that it does not have a description. You can ignore those.